So there you heard Defence Minister Rajnath Singh appreciating the Air Force personnel on the success of Operation Sindoor. As he said, Operation Sindoor is a symbol of courage, it's a symbol of valor and showcases a lot of strength and also an image of new India. And to get you more on this, I'm joined by DD India correspondent once again, Meghna Dev, straight from Bhuj. Meghna, when we talk about the courage, the valor that has once again been emphasized by the Raksha Mantri there from the ramparts of Bhuj, it showcases the capabilities, the strength of India and especially the new India that he's been emphasizing again and again. Meghna.
Yes, absolutely, and very major takeaways from Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh's address that he delivered just now at the Bhuj Air Force Station. He did clearly emphasize on that the contribution that India makes to the IMF. India would not like that the contribution would be used for Pakistan and Pakistan-sponsored terrorism activities. He said that that Pakistan is saying that it would rebuild those camps in Muridke and Bahawalpur. That clearly shows that the major part of the $1 billion fund that IMF has given to Pakistan would be going not to the welfare of the people of Pakistan, but it would be going to rebuild the terrorist activities. And Raksha Mantri did also reiterate that he is very, very firm that the funds are going to go for terrorist activities and for terrorists. But besides that, he clearly did say that what our Jawans have done, what our air warriors have done, what our forces have done is Shathe Shatyam Samachre. That actually is a Sanskrit, Sanskrit quote which says tit for tat. So that clearly shows what India has done, with what intentions India has done this. He also did laud the indigenous capabilities that India has, very clearly speaking about the indigenous capabilities that India has developed. Importantly, he also did say a few things that how India is now watching what Pakistan does, because India has kept Pakistan on a probation period for good behavior. So if that is what it is and the way he calls it, it clearly shows that how India is going to monitor that is Pakistan again going to harbor terrorists and continue harboring terrorists, for that matter, continue harboring terrorists, continuing sowing seeds of terrorism. So that clearly paints a picture that how India is going to closely monitor, and not only monitor but also ensure that there are no roots of terrorism anywhere in the region. He did not just say that India is being affected by terrorism, he also did say that in the region. So clearly the fight against terrorism that India is leading at the moment in the region is something that India is not going to pull back from, very clearly. And he also did say that the IAEA also, India has said that such irresponsible countries having and doing nuclear blackmail is something that India is not going to deter India's spirit, that India will continue against terrorism. So clearly very important very important message Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh sending out from this important Air Force Station in Bhuj. Very important Air Force Station, because it was very very strategic during the 1965 war or the 1971 war. Bhuj has clearly a very important strategic location, as well as now we're not only talking about the Air Force, we're also talking about Army and the Navy and the Coast Guards that are deployed along the district, along the coastline. So clearly a very important we can say a very important aspect wherein Raksha Mantri has lauded our forces, but a very important, strong, straight messaging coming out from the Bhuj Air Force Station.
And sending across to not only Pakistan but to the entire world, depicting India's capabilities. Thank you so much, Meghna Dev, for joining us and bringing us the important highlights of Defence Minister's speech and address to the armed forces there in Bhuj.